Are all images that are acquired remote sensing, whether it's satellites, aerial, or drones, are all of them compromised or affected negatively by some sort of haze or atmospheric effect?
It's really hard to kind of generalize in that regard. But the problem is, if you look at satellite imagery, for instance, when you task a satellite to go over a certain area, you really, of course, cannot guarantee what the weather condition will be at that particular time, or even the visibility condition. There could be, smoke, haze, fog, snowfall, light, wispy clouds. All of these can impact the accuracy of the imagery. And if you're looking to analyze the visual data and derive some useful information and actionable information from that, obviously the clearer the imagery that you can get, and even colors make a difference as well. So if all of these are compromised by these different visibility conditions, which you really cannot predict, then of course you have an issue. And of course, again, it'll take a certain time, before that satellite is able to again pass over that particular area. Maybe what you're looking for is already gone by that time. I know we are having more satellites and clusters out there, but nevertheless, the same issue still applies. Now, if you're looking at drones, exactly the same problem, maybe even worse, because lower down there's more variability in terms of visibility conditions, and we're not just talking about weather conditions. We're also talking about lighting. So in very low light or darkness, how does a drone, or can a drone operate? Whether the operator can see properly or further enough. Then you have the autonomous drones. Again, they also need to be able to see. GPS is there, LiDAR is there, but they all have their own limitations. So again, I would say that the condition is actually worsened, lower down from the satellite level.